In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a website on Bluehost. So the first thing this would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section and simply type bluehost.com and hit the enter button, which will actually take you into this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the Bluehost website. Of course, if you want to log in into your account and if you already have it, simply click at login button at the top right corner. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to click at get started or simply because this choice will get you to choose a plan and it's going to be a bit expensive because you will have to commit with them for 1 year. You can simply just go and buy your own domain by clicking at this domains option right here. And of course, it will take you to the page that will give you the opportunity to buy your domain from, and from there you can start and create your account with that way also. So for me, I'm just going to click at login, which will log in into my account directly because I already logged in into my account in this PC. And that is going to be my screen once I logged in into my account. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, is we would like to create a website on Bluehost. And of course, if you want to do that, the first thing is we would like to have a domain. Just click on my domains and then click at my domains. If you have a domain name here, this will be cool. If you don't, you'll have to go and purchase one. Of course, you will find the video on this channel how to do that, so just go and check it out. Now, just go and click on my site to create your website. Of course, you can click on add site as you can see, then create a new site from this option. Of course, those options will be your thing. It depends on what your site is going to be about, and it's going to be super easy to follow. Of course, if you have a site that's already created on another website, as WordPress or GoDaddy or something, you can click on this migrate existing website so you can migrate it to your Bluehost. As you can see, there is a free plan to do that. Migrate one WordPress website for free. And you can migrate multiple, but you have to pay. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.